Welcome to this tutorial on how to receive money on a PayPal business account. Receiving payments through PayPal is a convenient and secure way to get paid by clients and customers. To start, make sure you have a verified PayPal business account. If you don't have one, create an account and verify your email address and bank account information. First, log into your PayPal account and navigate to the dashboard. Here you will see an overview of your account activity, including your balance and recent transactions. To receive money, you need to provide the sender with your PayPal email address. This is the email address associated with your PayPal account. You can find this information in the account settings section. Once you have provided the sender with your PayPal email address, they can send you money directly to your account. You will receive an email notification from PayPal when the payment is made. To accept the payment, log into your account and navigate to the Payments section. Here you will see a list of pending payments. Click on the payment you want to accept and follow the prompts to complete the transaction. Another way to receive money on PayPal is by generating an invoice. An invoice is a request for payment that you can send to clients and customers. To generate an invoice, navigate to the Invoicing section and fill out the required information, including the amount, description, and due date. You can then send the invoice to the client via email. When the client pays the invoice, the payment will be credited to your PayPal account. Best practices for receiving money on PayPal include keeping your account information up to date, monitoring your account activity regularly, and responding promptly to payment notifications. It is also important to have a clear and concise payment policy in place, including your payment terms and refund policy. In conclusion, receiving money on a PayPal business account is a straightforward process. By following these steps and best practices, you can securely and efficiently receive payments from clients and customers. Remember to keep your account information up to date and monitor your account activity regularly to ensure smooth and successful transactions.